How does the Xiaomi YU7 perform in smart driving today? We will experience its smart driving in one single continuous take, based on 10 million clips of data. Look at my car. I have already driven it for quite a distance since I picked it up. Over 4,000 kilometers. It has been over half a month. This is the standard version. I came to the bank for some errands, and now I am heading back. Okay, no more talk. Let us set off. Hey, Xiao AI, navigate home.
Going home now.
Okay, let us go. Let me fix the camera. As long as there is no dangerous situation, we will not manually interfere. All right, put it in gear. All right, and now we can go ahead and turn on the smart driving. Okay.
Wow. Smart driving is on.
Enable smart driving. Okay, all right. From now on, we will not intervene.
Turn right. Change lanes right as guided.
We will not cut this video at all. Not even once simulating my normal route home. I have absolutely never driven on this road before. End-to-end means no map memorization at all, right? There are quite a few e-bikes here. You can see the driving status on this screen, along with the map view, which makes navigating much easier. My hands must be ready to take over, resting on the steering wheel, since it is capacitive and requires constant touch. Wait, there is a driving school car with an unclear intent. Okay, it made a maneuver to avoid it, then turned right. There are many tricycles and e-bikes, and it is yielding. Okay, good. Following along slowly. It handles this quite politely. A very courteous driver. A very courteous driver indeed.
Turning left at the traffic light.
Uncut footage. If the performance is normal, we will speed it up slightly. Because the video is too long, you might not have the patience to finish it. Waiting for the traffic light. Normally, this light is taking a while. So let us speed up and fast forward a bit. It is green now.
Light turning to green.
The nav is slow. The light timer on the screen is behind. It uses cameras to detect. It goes as soon as it turns green, very fast.
There is no turn right in 100 meters.
So no one will ever honk at you, since there is none.
Turn right now.
And this right turn. This road is not that easy. It is really not a simple route for us all. The lane markings are quite faint. And there are many e-bikes, but it steered around them very decisively. Illegal parked cars again. It steered around once more. The vehicle speed is quite decent, maintaining over 50. Approaching the junction. Please slow down. It eased off slightly, slowing down at the junction.
Damn.
No slow down, passing at 45. Though the visibility here is actually quite good. I feel like we should keep our eyes peeled just to be safe. Wait. An e-bike appeared. It performed a detour. It feels a bit hesitant. And the lane changing isn't smooth at all. We just had an e-bike incident. It should have used the left lane since the road is one way. Everything feels quite stressful. This is a one-way street. No oncoming traffic here. Okay. Oh, whoa. Damn, that scared me. This white car keeps straddling lines. Look, that car keeps drifting on the lines. Then, a bicycle, it naturally steered around it. We are going straight ahead on this path, aren't we? Wow, a U-turn ahead might be tricky. I hope it can handle it quite well.
The red light will turn greener.
This road is quite complex. A U-turn is ahead. We will reach the next intersection soon. Let us see. I am not sure how it performs. I will just post it as it is. Just post it as it is. Okay. Electric bikes. The 3 bikes ahead chose to detour. But It has not sped up yet. Okay, it is accelerating now. We will not intervene. Let it decide itself. After all, this is end-to-end, so we should let it decide. Only in this way can we actually see its true driving skills and decision-making ability in action.
Turning right at the end of the road.
Good. Next is the complex part I mentioned. A right turn followed by a U-turn. Honestly, I am a bit nervous about that U-turn. I am a bit nervous, so I am ready to take over. Mainly because there are many electric bikes here. Right. Then signal, right? Both lanes are for turning, since it is a one-way street. Okay. A tricycle. He yielded, then continues. U-turn in 100 meters. Stay left. Correct. Good. Waiting.
U-turn.
This is a dedicated U-turn lane. Alright, let's see how he handles this tricky situation, or if this specific turn succeeds. Getting home should be no problem at all for us. There is still some road work near where we live. Okay, everyone see how he performs this U-turn. Ooh, that turn was quite sharp. The wheel angle was very aggressive. I was even worried about curbing the wheels. Oh my gosh, damn. That truck was blocking the right turn lane. So he hesitated for a moment, not sure if he should pass. But fortunately, he managed it just fine. Okay. So this is just a narrow two-way single lane road. That means to overtake, we must use the opposite lane. Let us see if it can reach his home quite smoothly. 9 minutes left. 9 minutes to get home. 4 kilometers to go. Okay, decelerates. Normal deceleration. That car turns right. We accelerate. Overall, it drives slower than a pro. If I were driving, I'd go a bit faster. But it probably has a speed limit, right? Like this road, the speed limit is, let me check. It should be 60. I can set the speed to 60, right? Good. 60 on a single lane road like this. 60 is enough. Now it is slowly picking up speed. With no obstacles, it accelerates. But the car head is slow, only doing 50.
Right.
This car stopped, and look, it chose to go around. Very smooth. See, it just crossed the center line a bit. Not bad. His handling is quite, well, pretty close to the standard answer. I really think you did a great job today. Okay, there is some construction ahead. Let us see if it slows down our travel time today. Okay. See the barriers ahead. He wisely straddled the line, just as he had to do for his own path. This is awkward. Look, he is crossing over the center line now. My bad, guys. My camera just ran out of memory since I totally forgot the SD card. Continuing from before, let us enable smart driving.
Advanced driver assistance is now active.
It is not a takeover. Guys, just clearing some space on my camera memory for more photos. Back to it. There are only 6 minutes left. This is the way to my home. As soon as he honked, I pulled over to the side immediate. An e-bike just zoomed past me by crossing the line, showing off some really skilled maneuvering. Driving is quite good. The road ahead is complex, an intersection near.
Turn right ahead. Please keep your focus on the driving.
It is an unprotected intersection. Let us see how it handles.
Keep left and proceed forward.
Honestly, this spot is quite dangerous, as the view on the right side is completely blocked off now. He is quite steady after passing 300 meters.
300 meters later.
At the end, I fear reckless drivers rushing blindly. As visibility is blocked at the intersection, you really must slow down. Two electric scooters are blocking the road right ahead of us. There is simply no choice here, as I cannot overtake, because there is a divider, and the tricycle is parked illegally. So I will just take it slow now. Okay. Nice. A perfect maneuver around it. Okay.
Turn right.
Spot on.
There will be a U-turn coming up. Let's watch his performance. Okay. Electric scooter. He completely ignored that scooter. A U-turn in 100 meters, perhaps due to its high speed. It does not affect his path.
Change lanes as guided. Okay, U-turn.
Head into this U-turn lane.
Then signal.
Then slowly move forward. Alright. Making a U-turn. He cut off the other cars to beat the green traffic light.
Going straight ahead.
Doing fine. Actually beats my expectation. There is an e-bike. Need to slow for e-bikes. There are more road barriers and construction here now.
Current signal. Then immediate right turn.
Now we make a right turn here. More construction, plus a signal, turn right.
Right.
Okay, turning right.
Okay, sabi now.
Hey.
Turn left at the road end.
Okay, expect to see some illegal parking there, such as tricycles and delivery trucks blocking the road.
Slow down.
Answer slowly. No problem. Good. Accelerate and carry on. Please slow down for the crosswalk. An e-bike is peeking out here. Alright, almost home. Just 1 kilometer left, guys. Just 3 minutes away. Please watch until the very end, as I will not edit or cut any of it. That awkward gap happened because my device ran out of memory. So the video cut briefly. Okay, make it. OT.
Turn right at the road end 600 meters ahead.
Guys, we are driving against traffic, but he returned just in time for us. This guardrail was added quite recently, so it is new. I am speechless. He drives like a pro, I can only say. Oh no, a Tesla blocks the way. So let us see if he makes it through today. He hesitated, glitched a bit, then turned left decisively. Oh! Someone just braked to a halt. They are yelling at me. The delivery guy is cursing. Stop, guys. Let me give you some.
I will add power.
Okay. Oh, because of our wasting illegally parked Tesla. I stepped on the gas. Yeah, he barely moved until he finally went away. They honestly believe I lack skill and doubt if I can pass it. Honestly.
So, what?
Complex spots may still need our manual override to function properly now.
How well?
Actually, this spot is quite wide, so he went around it just fine.
Right.
Then back into his own lane again.
Okay.
Please turn right at the end.
Go on. Why so slow?
I worry the cars behind are honking.
Let us move.
Driving quite steadily. I am never feeling scared at all now.
Turn right.
Okay, turn here. Entering the parking lot soon. Let us see where the ramp is.
Right turn 300 meters.
Okay, 200 meters to garage. Almost arrived home now. There are so many pedestrians and e-bikes bustling around down here. And the illegal parking. Look, there is one right ahead.
Almost at the destination now.
A car is parked illegally. Okay, moving on. He just changed lanes to pass. A Mercedes is driving against traffic, which is dangerous. So please be careful while driving today. And there is a big truck blocking the road here. Oh no!
I have just arrived near the country garden, and navigation has ended.
Facing delays, waiting to pass, guys. If not for this, it could have driven home directly. 90 meters left, hard to bypass. Please take control. Hey, look. Hey. It drove itself. I did not intervene at all. Entering garage. Don't turn it off, damn.
Watch your surroundings carefully.
Too close. He hit the brakes.
Look, he is reversing. Stay alert.
And backed up once.
Approaching the gate. Please mind your surroundings closely.
He turned much too close. Then he backed up again. Damn, it really went down just like that, my dear brothers.
Passing the ramp.
Okay.
I did not interfere since I got in zero manual input. I just pressed the pedal, right? When blocked. Okay, reached basement.
He is arriving at the spot.
He is searching for spots. Okay, target spot found. This is exactly where I parked earlier. Let us film this in one take, one continuous shot.
Alright, right, okay.
Damn, let's head in.
Oh.
He feels it isn't perfect, though I think it is fine. He just wasn't satisfied. He decided to try again.
Alright.
Such a perfectionist. Is he trying to steer clear of the pillar? Alright guys, we've parked.
Mind your personal belongings.
Alright.
Do you think this Xiaomi YU7 smart driving meets your expectations? Let's get out and check how it parked. Not bad. See how the tires didn't hit the curb stop here. So, that is the current end-to-end performance of the Xiaomi YU7 smart driving system. Does the Xiaomi YU7 smart driving system meet your expectation?